Hey guys, welcome to our new video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about basic commands of Kali Linux. First of all, let me tell you about Kali Linux. So what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is an operating system similar to other Linux based operating systems. So basic Kali Linux commands are similar to others. This operating system is designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It has a bunch of ultimate free hacking tools used by hackers. So basic Kali Linux commands are similar to other Linux operating systems, but advanced commands are different. Many students want to learn Kali Linux free of cost, but due to lack of resources, they can't. If you are one of them, then this video will be useful. Okay, let's go and see what are the commands in Kali Linux. In Kali Linux, there are three types of commands: system commands, tool commands, switches or subtools. First of all, system commands. These are basic commands which are used for a system administration. These commands are helpful to manage the Kali Linux operating system. As I have told you, Kali Linux system is the combination of Linux OS and hacking tools. So all the basic commands are similar to other Linux systems. In this tutorial, I am going to describe basic Kali Linux commands. The first command is date command. Date command is used for checking the current date and time. The date can be changed by running the following code. The second command is cal command. Cal command is used to display calendar. The third command is who am I command. It is looking something different command, but it is used to tell about you. For example, if you forget which user is logged in, this command will tell you who are you current. The fourth command is pwd command. Pwd command is used for print working directory. It means on what location you are. Here location meaning is directory and subdirectory. The fifth command is ls command. Ls command is used to see files and directory inside a directory. Using ls without any location will list the files and folders inside the current directory. If you want to look up inside another directory, you will have to specify location. Okay, then the sixth command, cd command. Cd command is a very useful command and plays a very important role for Linux users. This command is used for changing directory and the basic syntax will be as below. If you use blank cd without location, then you will move in the user's home directory. Seventh command is mkdir command. Do you know about the directory? It is a term used for the folder. You can say Windows folder is a directory in Linux. It is very easy to create a folder in Windows, but not in Linux. The graphical interface is really awesome, but the command interface is not less. The command line interface is the fastest way to operate a Linux-based operating system. mkdir command is used to create a directory. If you want to create a directory within the current directory, just use mkdir directory. If you want to create a directory in the desired location, then along with directory name. So the eighth command is cat command. So cat command is used to see edit matter inside the file. You can create a file and add content inside the file. How is it possible? Let's see. The last command is rm command. Rm command is used to remove files and folders. In other words, this command for deleting files and folders. Thank you for watching this video.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.